Hello everyone, this is Pramod Kumar Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Data My Passion. So today, this is my first day with you all as my YouTube family because I have created this YouTube channel today itself and I am uploading this my first video on YouTube. So this is something I want to give it back to my data science community. I have learned a lot from internet and I wanted to contribute towards it right now. So I have so let me give some background about myself, what my purpose of creating this channel and everything. So I have been in the IT industry for over long, for over 10 years, and I have a long experience in data analytics field. So I remember those days when I have started my data science career, and at that point of time, I have faced so many issues while studying data science. Okay, as my career. So when I was searching through internet, what I have found like I get a lot of material, plenty of material available on internet, whether it is YouTube, blogs, news articles. I mean, ebooks, everything you have to go through it if you want to understand each and every life cycle of data science. So so I could not find a place where you will get everything at a single point. So after spending so much, after gaining so much of knowledge in data science field, it came into my mind, let's help others. What the way I have learned data science, I want to give it back to my community. So I started this channel. So I would advise you guys, uh, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to put a lot of videos on this YouTube channel regarding data science in detail. Each and every life cycle of data science I'm going to cover in my playlist, whether it is statistics or mathematics. In mathematics also linear algebra, calculus, probability theories, also machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, uh, whether it is NumPy tutorial, Pandas data, EDA for, Pandas data framework, Skykit, everything I'm going to cover in this channel. So stay tuned with me. Okay. So let's talk about, so this was all background. I want to give my, since it's my first video, I want to give everything, the roadmap I want to give, what I'm going to do that. But now since I have already given it to you, let's start with today's video. So if anybody wants to aspire for a data science, he should know why we want to become a data science, right? That question always should come into our mind first. Why should we become a data scientist? So, I'll list you down all those reasons. Okay. Yeah. So the first reason could be data era. So when I say this data era, it means that we in today's time, in 2020 year, we are surrounded with lots of data. Okay, whether you search on Google, whether you see a video on YouTube, whether you do shopping on Amazon, whether you watch movie on Netflix, everywhere we are seeing huge amount of data. So this is a big data era. Okay, so we are seeing a lot of big data into our systems, into our world, flowing here and there. Petabytes of data is getting generated and we are consuming those data. If you want to shop, you use different digital wallets. That is again a form of data flowing from here to there. If you do anything, if you do any bank transaction, anything you do, a data is getting generated. If you are putting a CCTV camera into your residence place or into your buildings, again you are generating a kind of data. So there are so much raw data available to us, which can actually give us a very informative knowledge to us, right? And we have a lot of business which, their policies can be formulated by understanding this data which is getting generated every day. Okay, those were the day in 90s, where the data was not generated at, at that speed or that volume. But right now we are generating huge amount of data. Okay, so that was the first reason. We are living in a era of data where huge amount is data getting generated. Now, second reason could be adoption of data-driven approach by business. So if I talk about today's business, right, every small decision is also based upon data. Okay, suppose I want to acquire a new business. Again, I'll first read the data, understand the chat and everything, and then I go about I can take decision whether I have to go for that business or not. Every minute step, I would say, is a data driven. Okay. If we are say for example, we are trying to understand why our customer are leaving us. Okay. I mean churn, I'm talking about basically churn. Why our customer leaving us? So again, we are studying, analyzing those data. Okay. Why if I have to cross sell a product in a market, again we have to analyze those data and understand how it is getting generated, how it is getting done, right? So so every small decision is driven by data today, helping organization to optimize business process. Again, so as I mentioned already, right, suppose we have so many processes in our business, as you know that. So every process, in olden days, there are so many business processes which are actually driven by manual processes. Those can be easily done by you know through some artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science, we can say in short. So we can do the betterment of business process data, and all those stuff can be done easily. Okay. So then we have involvement in decision making process. So if you are working in a company, every employee has a wish that he could be a part of decision making, right? Even I had the same thing. And but the kind of role you get, all role does not give put you in a place where you can do the in which you can involve in a decision making process. But I can tell you one fact, that if you pursue a data science career, it could be a case like you would also contribute to a decision making process, because you are the data scientist. You are going to analyze all those data, you are going to analyze all those key business ideas and everything, and you can definitely contribute to decision making process. And of course, AI/ML is future. So when I say this, I really mean it. Okay. So so if we talk about today itself, we are seeing YouTube videos. We are getting so many recommendation for the video. That is again application of machine learning or data science. That is a recommender system basically. If you are watching movie on Netflix recommendation also an example of data science. If you see Google Assistant, that is again. If you see Amazon Alexa, this is again, this is all contributing. Okay, let me forget talk about that. If you start thinking about self-driving car, which is Tesla is working upon. We have a Uber, which is already utilizing AI and ML techniques into their business processes. So you can understand how and what is the importance of data science in today's world and in coming future. Okay. Okay, plenty of job opportunities. This is for sure. So if you see the job portal like Naukri.com or LinkedIn or Glassdoor, any job portal, if you see, there are plenty of job openings available for data scientist, AI/ML engineer, data analyst. You know, so all those data, machine learning engineer. If you start searching these job titles, you will see lot of job opportunities there. And as you know that in at least in coming future, you will going to see lots of job opening for data science, machine learning engineer. Okay. uh, Again, this is a favorite topic to everybody, I think, lucrative salary. So if I talk about data scientist salary or machine engineer, salary in US, you can see that I have seen from payscale.com, and I have found that almost $96,000, they are paying a median salary of data scientists in US. And if I talk about India, almost 7 lakhs per annum as a salary for data scientists. That is again, I'm talking about median. On a higher range, that is unlimited. It is based upon the experience. I have seen my friends like earning more than 20 lakhs of salaries. Those are experienced people. But as a fresher also, I have seen so many fresher college graduates getting 7 lakh, 8 lakh or 10 lakh packages as a data scientist. So so that is the, I can tell you the importance of data science as a career. Okay. So so I think these are the enough reason you to become a data scientist and devote your time. And this is absolutely a very good field to be looked upon, a futuristic technology, a challenging role. Definitely it will going to help you out. And I'll tell you, in this channel I'm going to help you guys to understand each and every life cycle of data science, whether it is data collection phase or whether it is the model building, feature selection, every life cycle, feature engineering, deployment, monitoring, all the phases of life cycle of data science. I'm going to put videos into this channel. So I would say stay tuned to my channel. And again, subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you all.